Hello, today let's start a quick session about the modeling. So the question arises, what is modeling agency and how modeling agency work? So first of all, the question arises like, what is a modeling agency? So a modeling agency is a company that represents fashion models and connects them with the potential clients like brands, designer and photographers for a job, like such as photo shoots, runway shows, commercial and promotional events. And the second question comes like, you need to know like the types of modeling agencies. First is fashion editorial agency, just ignore the voice, high fashion work, runway magazine. And commercial agencies, advertisements, catalogs, lifestyle brands and etc. And the third one is talent agencies, also represent actors and influencers. So, and the fourth one is specialty agency, which is for like plus size, fitness, mature, child models and etc. And third point comes what is model representation. And model representation, model usually sign contracts with agency. The agency promotes the model to the clients, like set up casting for the audition, negotiate jobs and rates, take commission usually 10 to 20%. And the fourth point is scouting and development agencies, often scout talent and help new models to build a portfolio and train in posing, walking and industry requirements, and may suggest test shoots or professional photos. And the fifth point comes, which is portfolio and com card. Which is portfolio? What is a portfolio? So it's a collection of a high quality images showing the range and versatility. And com card, models business card with headshot, measurements and photos. So the sixth one is fees and the earning. This is the main thing like we want to know. Agency take a cut of the model's pay, which is 10-20% standard, and some agency charge for test shoots or portfolio development. And the website listing our promotional materials. And note, be cautious of agency that demand large upfront fees. This can be a red flag for you. And seventh one is casting calls and go sees agencies. Send model to casting or go sees where they meet potential clients. Success depends on look and professionalism and fit for the job. And the eighth one is, which is legal and safety consideration, which is always read contracts carefully. Ensure the agency is reputable and licensed. If required,